everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Kroger updated must-do deals video for you from July 6th through the 12th. Today is the 12th that I'm putting this video out, and I have one that is a run deal. It is today only on the 12th, and then some other deals that should go on into the 13th, week 2 of 2022. So do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And let's just jump right in and see what's happening. Okay, so this is the last day that you can do this particular deal. We just had a brand new Catalina generate from yesterday, the 11th. Unfortunately, I didn't get this video out then, but you still have a chance to do this deal. The way you want to do this is grab 5 Kellogg's large size cereals. They include Apple Jacks, Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, mini wheats. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. There might be one other one that is included there. You want to grab 5 of them. Make sure that all of the Ibotta rebates are still available to you as well. They're regularly priced $4.19, on sale for $3.19, but there's a $1.69 5-time weekly digital coupon. That coupon expires after the 12th. So you have all day on the 12th to grab this. The 13th, it is gone. Okay, so that'll change this whole scenario for you. Then use 2 of the $1 off 2 printable coupons. It's from the Kellogg's website. I'll link it in the description box below. So print 2 of those off. You're going to pay out of pocket $6.45. Then you are going to receive a $3 Catalina. Then at that point, you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times per kind. So 5 of the Fruit Loops, 5 of the Apple Jacks, 5 of the Frosted Flakes, and so forth. So like if you wanted to mix and match to hit some sort of Ibotta bonus, I definitely would recommend doing that as well. Final cost is going to be just 95 cents total, or 19 cents each. I honestly never thought we'd see cereal under 50 cents again. Like, I really thought under $1 is probably the best we're going to do. 19 cents is completely crazy. So this is an awesome deal. Run to the store, grab this. If you like cereal, definitely want to grab this, but because it's such an amazing deal. Now, the Catalina does run through August 7th, so we may be putting together other deals later on with this particular Catalina, but as of right now, this is an amazing deal, and this weekly digital is going to be gone after the 12th. Okay, so go grab that cereal. Let me know if you scored this deal. So this particular video is not going to have any kind of mega sale extra matchups. If you want to see those matchups, go watch the videos from last week. I have a whole bunch of them. Of course, I'll do a new must-do deals video tomorrow on the 13th, and I'll probably have new deals from the mega sale for you at that point in time. But right now, we're going to check out a couple of Kroger deals, and I've got freebies, guys. Freebies I'm really excited about showing you. Okay, so this first deal is super hot, and you may have actually seen this one. It's been on social media. I know I posted it myself last week sometime on Instagram, because I haven't had a Kroger video in a little while, but I did post this on Instagram. If you're not following me on the Facebook page or Instagram, go down to the description box below. I have my links there. Make sure you follow me there. I will post things sometimes if it's just like a single deal and I don't have time to do a whole dedicated video or something like that. Follow me there. But anyway, this particular deal is posted on my Instagram. The Neutrogena Transparent Facial Bar, regularly priced $2.79. There's a 2-off-1 digital. Out of pocket pays 79 cents. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one, a limit of 5 times. The final cost is completely free and actually a 21-cent moneymaker, but it actually gets a little better on the next slide. However, you can do this deal and the next slide deal together and get both deals. You do have to do them within the same transaction, though, to submit to Ibotta. So this is a pretty awesome deal. You're going to make 21 cents, but the next one's even better. Okay, so the Neutrogena Facial Cleansing Acne Bar is actually a little bit more expensive, but it's actually going to be a bigger moneymaker. So these are regularly priced $3.29. There is a 3-off-1 digital coupon that is attaching to this, making the final cost 29 cents. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost is free and a 71-cent moneymaker. I actually did this deal over the weekend to get that final bonus that we had, that firework bonus, and it worked perfectly. I couldn't find the other facial bar. I was going to do both of them in the same transaction. I couldn't find them. Now, I will tell you that my Neutrogena facial cleansing bar, I bought a rebate, did not reload. So I was like, well, I'll look for the other one later once it reloads, and it has not reloaded. So definitely check your Ibotta and make sure it's still available when you go into store to grab this. Now, I did check with a friend of mine today. I messaged her and said, hey, can you check and make sure this Neutrogena bar is still available in Ibotta for you? And she said it was. And she even sent me a picture, a screenshot of it, that it was still available to her. So if you haven't used this, then it should still be available to you. I used mine and mine has not reloaded. So again, this is one of those, I'm not sure what it's going to do for you, but definitely always check and make sure everything is available to you before you go purchase things. Don't get mad at me if a deal doesn't work. I'm warning you right now. Go check and make sure that Ibotta rebate is still available to you. But either way, if you could grab both of these in the same transaction, you're looking at a wonderful, wonderful moneymaker. All right, so I've kind of got a pretty cool little deal here for you. Now, this particular one's going to be completely free. You definitely, if you don't do anything else on the next few slides, you want to make sure you do this one, the Lunchables Snack Kit. These are regularly priced just $1.99. They're on sale for $1.25 this week, so that's what you pay out of pocket. But then Shopkick has 300 kicks plus 25 scan kicks, which ends up being $1.30 total. And it's so weird with Kick because swag bucks are easy to do, fetch is easy to do, but Shopkick is one of those you have to think weirdly to get that out. But $1.30 basically, making this completely free and a 5-cent moneymaker. So this one is well worth doing. And you can only grab one, unfortunately. I wish you could grab multiples. I have 3 kids, so when we do Lunchables, I need 3 of them, right? And I have a teenager now that I probably need to get him 3 by himself. But anyway, all right, so this is one that you definitely want to do. Now, let me show you 2 other Lunchable deals, and then I'm going to show you how to put them all together for a really awesome deal. So the Lunchable with the Capri Sun is actually regularly priced $3.29. It is on sale this week for $2.50. Pay that out of pocket, but then you can submit to Shopkick for 525 kicks, 500 kicks for submitting the receipt, and 25 scanned kicks. That's going to leave you at just paying 40 cents. So you're going to get $2.10 back, which is an amazing deal there. 40 cents for one of these. Heck yeah, this is a great deal. Don't worry, there's more. I'm excited. Okay, so the last Lunchable deal here is the Lunchables Uploaded. Now, this is an expensive product, and there is no sale price for it, so that's why it makes it the least good deal, I guess. So these are regularly priced $4.29. You do have to pay that out of pocket. You can submit to Shopkick for 525 kicks. Again, 500 for uploading the receipt and 25 for scanning the product. Final cost is going to be $2.19 afterwards. So not a bad deal, and remember, you are getting the chips, the drink, there's the dessert part, and then the main meal. So it's not just a cheap little Lunchable, it's got quite a bit in it. So $2.19 is not terrible, but it's not the best one. But it's going to be worth it if you put all 3 of these together. So if you grab all 3 of them, the Lunchable Snack Kit that's on sale for $1.25, the Lunchable plus Capri Sun that's on sale for $2.50, and the Lunchable Uploaded that's regularly priced $4.29, you're going to pay out of pocket $8.04, but then submit to Shopkick. They do all have to be on the same receipt to get this bonus. So Shopkick will give you back $3.25 for the kit, $5.25 for the Capri, and $5.25 for the Uploaded, and then you also get a 250 kick bundle bonus there when you purchase all 3 on the same transaction. So that's an extra $1 savings. So your final cost now comes down to $1.54 total, and that's going to equal out to be about 51 cents each, which is a really, really great deal. So I highly recommend grabbing all 3 of these, especially if you're like me and you have multiple children, or maybe you have, some kids that love, that's 3 lunches right there. Really awesome deal. All right, so 51 cents each, really great deal here. All right, one more deal. I kind of want to say this is, for me, it's a wait and see. I want to see if we can get a Kellogg's Jumbo snack sale price on these, okay? Because right now they're full price, and that's why I'm kind of sitting back going, I don't know if I'd do this. It's actually a little bit better deal at Meijer because there's a sale price right now going on at Meijer. But these Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks are regularly priced $5.49. Out of pocket, you would pay $21.96, which is very, very high. You're going to receive a $2 Catalina when you buy 4. Now, remember, the Catalina is the same one that's generating for the Kellogg cereals. So if you are going to do this deal, you may want to wait or do separate transactions. Or if you're only going to get like 4 of the cereals and you want to throw one of these in for that 5th item, you could do that too. So I'm not going to figure out the math here on that, but that's a possibility for you as well. You're going to receive a $2 Catalina when you buy 4 of these. You can submit to Ibotta for 2 back on once, limit of 5 times, and then Shopkick for 350 kicks. And then your final cost is going to be $10.56 total, or just $2.64 each, which is okay, but I think right now at Meijer these are on sale $3.99 each, so that's going to be a much better savings, and they should also be getting this Catalina generating for them as well. So you could have a pretty awesome deal there. I haven't done the math at Meijer to figure that out, but if you have a Meijer, I recommend going over there and doing that deal. All right, guys, so let me know, are you going to do this deal, or are you going to wait on this one? It seems kind of high, and I also know, like, Walgreens, if your Walgreens carries these, my Walgreens do not carry these. I believe it's an even better deal. I think it's a buy one, get one this week, which makes it even better, but I'm not positive on that, so don't quote me on that. All right, so anyway, this is an option. I'm going to keep my eye on this at least through the 7th and see if we get a sale price along the way. And as long as Ibotta stays in, it could be a really, really good deal if we get this. Okay guys, that's all I have for you on this quick little updated video. If you like it, give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel because tomorrow I'll put out a brand new must-do deals video for week 2 of our mega sale. We're gonna have so many awesome deals. Like always, have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye guys.